Hello, now there. I know so now there, sure. Why go? Now there, I know they talk. I know. Hello, may I first share for this size? Please help me to share the video. Mona, help me share the video, love and like. God bless you as you do. Leave your comment also. I wanna see the apology where be say. I know say don't please make apology to many people. They come here first share, okay? Lolo no accept apology, right? She doing well or no, she not doing well. I wanna see. I wanna see her. She doing well or she not doing well. Just a quick one. I'll quick come up for here. They come. Share this video, love and like this video. Man, not just the look, not just the watch. Just like they know they use money to buy. Oh, I go make a sure, or put your like. I wanna see the apologies. She no accept, okay? So don't please can't do another video which I will play for now. Which I will play. Most of una don't see her. You see this life, I know say when you do that apology, I talk about that apology. I say I don't know, I'm not sure say Lolo go accept. You understand? I talk and say because when you pass your boundary, it get as it be. Even no, everybody not be the same. Okay? Take am, wanna put am for na brain. Say everybody is not the same. If you say please forgive me, and I tell you say just they go, I not get what I want use it to do. Even though say you can't apologize, I not get what I want use it to do. You know me say I be wicked person. You know me say I be bad person. Now the way where I take be, now the way where I take day. You understand? Some people dey before you tell them say I beg no vex. You go say I don't forget to. Everybody not be the same. And everybody get their own emotion, the way where they take day. You now understand the way where they take day. Now me they talk and since that time where I never even come out and they talk and say once you pass your boundary, your apology are not need down. Just they go like that. We not get anything to do again. Even to talk to you, see me for road, pass me. Now so I be. Maybe you now you not still be like that. You feel they say, oh my God, more you are this one, that one for everybody cannot be the same. Also, agbanata way agboyeseti lovie muhunda konkpa. Okay? When I see say Don Prince, first of all, this message I want also go to Don Prince. Don Prince, I know say you not be bad person. It's just that you want to be you want to make people know you for social media. Okay? Please love and like this video for me. Share this video. I'm not seeing anything for there. I'm not they see evil comments. I agree to now. Not even greet me back. It's not good now. I don't say you not be bad person. It's just that you want make people know you for social media. You want make people they like, oh, you don't know another one maybe don't print something like that. Now you want. You know, I understand. I can see say you not be like person and say you see your look way get bad mind. No, you not be like that. But you see, when you make apologies to somebody, when be say not do you anything, you see that you owe. Now you go carry am for where it dey. Now you call PC sand. Now you call tear it cloth for now. It go take time for that person to say okay. If you still be say that person want test you, you understand? Everybody not be the same. Because you know when you do say it's very easy to say I'm sorry for what I do. That sorry, it come from inside your mind, or just because you want do one, because you know say okay, me I just give them. If they like they take, they not like they not take. Now you do. Let that apology be where you do. Oh, I greet you, mommy. Good afternoon. Long time. Hope everything's okay. Now that apology be. You understand? You know, say some people for this social media, then they wait, may you give the apology, and just collect and back, even don't say it nourish your mind. No. Sometimes you people need to understand, say, oh man, you really do it with your mind. Una not that time where be say Lolo do apology during that time when he with his best friend they work out and that. Una remember. So that apology, she really do it. It come from her mind, and she can't change her way. You understand? Oh. Apology is very easy. Make I go give her, me I come out. Then this one, I'll start the game. No. Even that time when his ex-friend do at that time, when she can't still come and that is Monica, when he can come and say, na strategy. Una remember. Even people even know, say that apology way they do. Almost teko, we're going to viola dia. She can't even use a man talk at that time. Una remember. Don't please do this apology. You carry person way be say, Omangu we go. He day. He not talk to you. He not even know whether you did this social media. Not be say maybe you were make no. Now you just like because of say you like somebody, you carry not be only carry her. You carry everything where they inside her. So now you carry everything. You can't they carry and they go can't they like Zagawa for social media. If that can person can't tell you say, oh, don't please, you know what? I see the apology. Not be say I not go accept you. You know the way we are going to accept her. Now like this, now like this. If I were you, if I were you, and you know say this thing where you really do this person, it not good. If they do until you go pay you. You feel tell and say, I they come. Hello? Good afternoon. I don't like video. May I put her? May I put her on speaker? Okay, now. All right. Talk, mommy.
Good afternoon, ma. Good
I greet
afternoon,
you.
everybody.
I greet you, mommy.
Thank you for this live video when you do. You know, say if person talk true, they go say that they side Lolo, now Lolo fans. You know, say now so most of them they like talk.
Yeah.
You understand? This thing where you they talk, so now the right thing now you talk.
Yeah.
You understand? When you don't do apology, who like accept her? Who like we not accept her?
Yeah.
You understand? So sure say this apology when Don Prince give, not be from in mind.
No, not
because when you give apology to Lolo, Lolo not come the apology. If I were you, Don Prince, you not supposed come out again. Would they say, Cora, this one? No. So far you don't give her. Move on. Don't insult them again.
Yes.
You understand? Okay, that one now, you don't try to come out to come to say you don't already give her. If you not take her, I know you don't already give her. No, that means you just give her. Maybe people for not mock you or maybe for not laughing. No, not be everybody they take apology.
No, not be everybody.
And this apology, when most of them they give so, when they go give her finish, you still give them 1 week. They'll still come back or insult you.
Yes, now.
What is the need of giving them? What is the need of giving the apology? So this kind of thing when Lolo they do, Lolo know why they talk and not be saying no they forgive them. Because he no one made they see come back or insult them. See what Lolo talk for this Don Priest. He say, well, you insult and insulting family. He say, if you not do it like this, that is, if you not remove your cap or dress well, do it like this. No insult them again, just go your own. You understand? He say just go your own. If I were you, if I were Don Priest, I go just go my own. Now still come back, come see do another live video.
Yes.
That means all this apology whether they give for live video now fake. May they for just say, may they for just to say they don't apologize. Now fake. Lolo when they say he no need all those kind of fake apology, that means the woman really know say now fake apology. Now most of them they give. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Now that one just one drop say if I were Don Priest, I don't need to come outside, I can't reply the video when Lolo do. Now that one I don't please they do bad. You see the reason why? He still come out, he still they say, if you not take her now, you know. If you not call right, can't they go call people? All those people when they call, now they hot Lolo.
Now they carry
no, Mama,
thank you, Mama. Thank you, God bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah. So you know, as I dey talk just now, Mama, thank you for calling. As I dey talk just now, use apology where people they give for social media. We all know say na pepper day apology, okay? Now just few. Now I really come out for in mind, say, okay, may I do this thing. I really hurt this person. This person not do me anything. Now me go find her. So when I see the one where be say don't please do, me already know say he want do one like to like, okay, I don't give everybody, so now if I want to beat Monica, I will know say I don't fair give the apology. Make people not come, they ask me, say, people where you because of ambition, why you not fair go beg them whether they forgive you? You understand? Now you do. It still be like that time where be so this what they call that, this goddaughter of Papa twins where they Germany, where they go their house, the time where give Lolo apology, the same thing. Neither one still do. When I still come and say, not be so that they do something. If you give person apology, that person not take can. You know me say not go take can. You understand? Even though say give you conditions, say no, do it like this. Now like this, I tell me down. If you really, some people they even though say you tell us say make need down, you go need down. Some people they like that. You go need down because you go see and say yes, this person never hurt me one day. He never near me. Now me go there. You go need down. Some people need that for this live video to apologize. Why? Because they know say they not reach that place. That person not reach their place. Okay, as Lolo come talk and say go buy new clothes, then you come sit down. Not use the one way say they do saga. New one. We all know say she dey joke for that one. You understand? If my me be you, Don Prince, maybe anytime when you still take come out, Lolo, I beg, no vex, my sister. You know, I understand you say I offend you well. All the time, you go they put her for his side. You understand? So they tell they do something. I greet you, mommy. Thank you for coming. Some of my apology are Pepe. Next, Nana Pepe, then they take and tell they do. Not be real one. Because real apology, if the person say no, they accept. The way where you tell they like put on all the time. You know, anytime when you still come out, you know, I know say you reject my apology. I know say I hurt you because it's not easy. If not me said, maybe I will still reject her. No vex, my sister. Find somewhere for your mind. May you say forgive me. With time, the person go even have the person will come talk and say, oh, you get one day where just they do this thing. The thing really touch me. Come, my brother or my sister, I don't forgive you. But day your day, make I day my day. No, they not they do like that. If they see say you no accept. Then they'll come bring their I just by one make I give you, not be real. You understand? Now this one still be so make I play for. I know say most of them don't already see.
Sister, you will not accept my apology, Sister Lolo. Apology already did my sister. Ufe. Lolo, apology not they come again. Because you have done so many people what I did to you. So because they cast tie, you want to call the phone. Sister, apology not they come again. Lolo, listen to me. Now maybe don't bring. I saw where Ujina mu you egbe. Una mujini una mu foa. Oh boom, where no my sister.
You see? Now it make people no want the near them. Most of our people, if not the social media anyway, we for not the near just all those kind of people for it. Because when you do something, you know, say when you say person muji for give am time. You know what you do for 3 years. You think say na 3 days or 3 hours. No. Where na human being? If somebody come out now, he carry all wetin they belong to you for inside house. He come dey rubbish am for good 3 years, and you not do that. You not do that person anything. Oh, you just day your day because of say the person want grow a page or you want fight for somebody. You as Don Priest, if person do unto you, will you accept that? No verse. Find somewhere for your mind to forgive me, just like that. No, you will not accept also. Even though say you say, honey, why who went with your bonnet by itself? You go even insult and join her. If you be person where hurry and you go see no, I know she's in pain. But you not think her like that. You see, say when person test una for this social media, una dey for put bagada. Why they young bigidi? The same thing Cynthia also do. When many of us come like put man say Cynthia, call my sister, earlier me. You apologize to somebody. The video where you take insult everything dey your wall. It dey your TikTok. You not delete them. You wait to be the apology. Just to say forget, especially if you not do you anything. Not be those people where be say can't find you, or not be those one. Like this Don Prince with Lolo, they not get the issue, they ask us now say, Lolo don't talk to you before. I go say no. And because of Monica, I be go there. You see? You can't dey talk this one. Meaning, na Pepe there apology now you do. You see? I happy say she no collect am for me. I first talk and say Lolo go collect am for your hand, because me I know say Lolo not be person where they insult papa, insult children. If you do insult, it go direct to you. But if you go insult the pikin, the thing go pain out to the extent. I talk on that day when be say do this apology. Even give you say okay, go do this one, go do this one. If I were you say Lolo, if you send the money come with laugh, you understand. Lolo, if you send the money come, I'll go buy the t-shirts. I'll come wear now. If you they bring out, I bring money for shoe. You know all those things. I know say you go forgive me now with time, my sister. I beg, find somewhere. Even because of today, I don't pass my boundary. Because not be saying now only Lolo now you insult to. If I apologize to you, I will never. That one where you talk, I will never. That one don't pass the boundary. Only me when me your own. You think say na just say no. Ya teneti mwese. You understand? Ina teneti mwese. You send me message and I go that message for you. So it's two different things. I'll tell you, Mama, true is Lolo do not want this boy to be make sure and be. Yeah, you understand? So you will ask me that question. Email with me, okay? So apologize. I need the talker. If I offend you, the problem is apologize. Even though say me make I kneel down, I go kneel down because I know say yes, I pass my boundary. I go do it. Now me be that. That make me the talker and say if you pass your boundary, just they go. I get cool. Apology or not apology, just they go like that. I don't want again. Just they go. You understand? So now make me even, I know they pass person boundary. I know they insult pikin. I know they insult papa. If you insult my own, I'll give my way well phone. You know, now make a just there for my black list, whatever. So as Don Prince they do this Lolo, if na person where really say the thing come from his mind, you understand? The thing really pain and what he do. Because you know, say when you say something, when you do something, you say, you feel they do another person self. And even though say I do, you will still forget. It's not like that. Because you talk about Cora. Cora, na your husband carry and come. We not go pick am for inside a house, draw and come. Na your husband carry and come. Everybody bring your opinion. Now social media, wait till we see. You understand? But this one, sit down in you because of say in with your friend, ex-friend, they quarrel. You enter the center. Then you like carry the other one put for back. Una look bokbo, una riagege, una ya hwe nok bahia, it not do you anything. Umare hui yon ba no be only one you carry. You carry your husband, you carry papa, you carry mama, you carry all the family. You understand? If na only yon ba we be akuhia nia, person go still like okay, may you try to just let go. You understand? You see? So now make this apology before person you just some people they before they just bring a come back like ekpekere. O ma sinya teko. O ma sinya teko. O ma no get le so teko you go no. The way this one na the way in talk say you go no say o ma ahwe go still come out. Or they no do tie no. So what is the name? Why continue very no what tie bo make here? You know? May we listen.
Lolo, if you are expecting another apology, you will wait for 90 years.
You see? If na person where be say really come out for your mind, even though say na 90 years, you supposed to give her. Even though say na 90 years, or she tell you say, I need that for 3 months. I need that for 1 month. We all know say na, you know, you feel your thought say I need that for 5 months. We know say not be good. You know, reach like that. Just to test you. Why they test you know why they pass say let be the something. They know they pass the test. What they do way. Then I want maybe that one I just see do one. Go make I see whether I really come from your mind or you just want make it do a pepper then. I go talk like this. Like say the rest people also talk say they not take. The same thing you want my work now. You see? So what is the need of apology when you say inside your mind, what you do, you not even like the thing not pay you. If they sweet you say you do and say, and you want to do more and more. Why is that way, Rioni? We are not human. What you not say they not do to you, not do to another person. Not do I greet you. I will tell my wife. You will tell your wife. What you want to tell your wife? Not tell her anything, oh. That's your name, carry load. Not tell her everything, oh, See name, God, though.
Lolo, if you are waiting for another apology, you will wait for 90 years.
Can you imagine?
You never happy say apologize to you.
Okay, oh, can you imagine? Say me you happy.
Go see Investor Nogi. Go see
Come here and tell you. If I say no girl, you would not get quarrel like that. Una not get quarrel where be say una be friends before. You with Lolo una never be friends. Una never be anything. Wetin cause quarrel between una now una meeting for them. And the way you approach to your wife, you not like her. So it's two different things. Lolo not know whether you there for live video. He never say message to you one day. Or maybe say you do something, you can't analyze or you can't carry, you can't insult you. No, it's two different things. If Enoge say I collect him, you know why I talk him. You know why. This one are 3 years. Now you take you vala ho yo biero hu. Yon pa. Kowo khan ke kodafon ki vie. Now you group together. You see you? So no come they like no get collect am. Why you no go collect? Even that time where be say no get who apologize to Lolo, I believe say no get not pass the boundary. Or ma vie more you wear because no get na that person where be say if they do social media saga, you know they carry papa and mama children put for inside. You understand? You know they put them, but he go face you if they talk everything where be say want talk about you. You see, but you not be so you take do your own. Unwe more ya carry everything. Good 3 years. Or my way twice say, no come meet you say, na me they talk to, wait till I do you. Or my go where going. So that kind of person, if he can't give you condition, if I were you, I would say, okay, no problem. All the time you go the beggar. One day you go call say, okay, I don't forgive you. Let go. May you day your day, make a day mind. Because he know say, he not come from your mind. Whatever where dog being, where do where the worst. See what your mother say 24 hours now. See what he come out for your mouth. Please share this video.
You're the one of Paris. Go see retire. All of they accept that. You say you know. We say may I go wear one fine shirt. Imagine a old traditional shirt. Those say traditional shirt with me day. I put on it. You say that one not rich. What go like a fan boy?
You not see.
Lolo.
When it is filled, you not see with the way you can't they talk. Everybody not be the same. Some people they even they want me. You can't even tell them say I'm sorry. Please don't forgive me. Now that one before you even talk and come out in your diary, everybody not be the same. Why Sunday you don't know where can I apologize? See ya where a damage you don't do one. Just they go. Just they go. I don't get anything where I want to do with you. We not forget anything before. You know how many times this woman go there inside, maybe you go they cry, say, wait till I do this person. Or your children go see that video, they ask and say, Mommy, what till you do to this person? Why they do like this? The thing where you do, don't priest, now Cynthia still do the same thing. But later, Lolo, he lead the Cynthia, she be he forgive her. Because if you not forgive her, if you're not going to play a video. Now with time, if you hurt person, not just think say that person go just like, okay, what's the work go drink. But now look at her now, she is. You see? You understand? No expect say that person just draw you near body, okay, come. I am go drink water together. No. Someday, if he draw you together, but inside a man still they boil. Or a bad lawyer. Me, I prefer people where be real. You go, oh, you know, what I meant, you go just give you. Go just tell you, see the way it did for my mind. Not be those one where be say inside or bad lawyer, but just to collect and make people for say he collect. Now every apology person they collect. You not see this one now. Am I there? Or must say 24 hours. It come out. Common test where they are supposed to now. Why pass it? Una no dey pass am lie. Wa de you wear baka, emi na wa gi waji.
One are your left hand boy. One are your left hand boy. Una no fit do without hand boy. Now, may I go dress cute. May I go do sexy before I come apologize to you. You be Lolo.
Tell you see.
I wear when I wear to boy contact with him.
Oh, can you imagine? Can you don't hear now? So what continue? Just continue. You see now. just continue to dey insult me. Na Lolo do to you. He put you for test. You for put. Because he know say you are not real. That your apology was not real. He want test you to see the kind person where you be. If you dey talk this one now, maybe you don't dey do one from you don't take or my take care. I go the yes, yeah. Why you see the abeg you don't still do now? Don't see the like this apology now real for inside your mind. You don't see the way we take the talk all the time. No, why can't go your away content? So just continue to the gbenu your away content. Can you imagine this? Eh nah, that's what they be. That's what they be. Most of them in waje. So what is the need of that apology? Just to pepper them say, I don't go give your ex apology. She collect and oh yeah, now me I can't start to they beat you. You think so nothing saying everybody now use their head in now? No. Not be everybody. You know me say you give papa twins, he collect and you go give another person, the person go still collect and like that. No. Some people know they collect. Now I make a lovely equal say forgiveness is a sin. Not be lie, because most of una, you know good that they collect apology for una hand. Oh, I just make a give her. What fear be? That I just try and give her like that. If you take, you take. If you not take, go to her. Even though say you will take and say next tomorrow they come here and see come beat you. So what is the need? Make I take and next tomorrow you come for me again. Why continue with una way? Eh? You see?
With the mom maybe where man like where you are.
Can you imagine?
Lolo, you fall your hand. Now you give the content that they used today now.
Now you fall your hand. Now you fall your hand. You know why? Okay, may you put yourself for a position. Put yourself for a position. Look at your bonnet or mark when you way. You don't even know whether the video if they see and go, you know they play. You go just like jump, come on for that. You carry and you rubbish sham. If now you, that apology where you can do, you go take her. Wagawa apology, so let them they come from your mind. Even though say it take you 1 month, 2 months before you want go do that apology. Make sure say yes, you really know what the pain where you cause that person. This pain where I cause this person, oh my God, God forgive me. Then you go there. Not be so okay, me I just sit down. You know waiting. All those people where be say I don't offend. One are not vex so if you not take, if you not take, one go to her. Now you do so. Now be that apology. If you not take, one go to her. I don't do one. Eh? Ah, now wash
You fall your hand. You fall your hand. Everything I say they do ga. Say I have to go and wear on that shirt. It must be new shirt.
Even though say you can't need that. Your husband not senior, your husband where you beat for many years. Other fine man dealing with. Some people there, he go say before I go accept your apology, my husband where you throw mad go give. Why I dig where you and you go do it. If you not do it, just they go like that. Some people there like they go say for my own no problem. Oh, we are not here you why he not do you anything. What he do you? That man they do live video. That man never sit down one day, make on the like do live video with his wife or no, you know they do. Maybe he want to do his birthday, his wife put on for there. You carry that man. I mean your banu matie. Nah. Apology, I like her as you not collect her. Yes, because just 1 cent apology. My yeah, what did they want to continue? See now. A market where they are tight for no say. I know they accept that kind of apology. You don't run comments. Why don't we best one? If really come out for your mouth, all this one where you can't they talk, you for not the talker. A market her wear it. Eh? It not come from your mouth, from your mind.
Before I apologize to you, Lolo, apology not they come again.
You know, if he sends you before. A man can again where I be can't tell you say, don't please come apologize to me. Now, I believe say that people even tell you. May I tell now one thing? Some people there for this live video. After when they don't do what they want to do, please send me to love and like this video, share this video for me. After when they don't do what they want to do, they not regret what they do. No, the thing not pain them. Now person go tell and say, person go come say, you see all those people where you say you don't offend. Try make you come and make you apologize to them. Now people they tell them, don't be waiting they come out for inside their mind. If now waiting they come out for inside their mind, you will see the way where they'll take they do. The way where they'll take do, you go even see and say something is different. Only I want apology or go jago son on what you know on social media. I where they were doing what bury your mure was swear. That one and that one apology. Carry person papa where you know no go on better go on bijou. After we don't insult my papa, insult my mama, I can't say we be friends. I better carry your friendship go on corner.
The hear me so is this kind of video, you know go see this kind of one. You know go see this kind of one. If you dey wait for another apology, you go gog, Lolo. What gog it be that be? More don't prince.
Carry go.
Everybody can over be my friend.
He not even want
those always say accept my apology.
He not even want to because you know the type of person where you be. Why then they know the kind person wanna be, eh? Oh no na secret be, na me apology. Why ya what you want use that to do? After 3 years, 3 good years where you say insult person, you can't compare that person where you insult for 2 days. Say that one just collect her. I never even open my that one don't collect her. Person where you cost for good 3 years, you want to make collect your apology or 2 cents or 2 seconds. Boy ya Boy ya because you know the kind of person where you be. Why there are program time where this person I believe say na so. Why you got danger? Not to the 4 put. Why pass a exam now? Why you know one and not the passer? Just exam, small one I give you. Now so you see give Cynthia. On another jana do we yo. Again, you know job a year before you can come down. Say this thing where she do is not good. While they are pass exam. Because now you might be, now we be. You know, if you just carry person, use and take build your page. We get build there because you know can't tell us say you know the user and take build page. Even though say they send you or they not send you now, but a page one and the user and take the build down. What here bonnet the person. People go come. Those the other side where be say they not like everybody go there. Right down where we get wapping title a title wapping here. You don't know say now human being that person be. But I am where see the way where I tell need my apology. If you want me, I even accept and safe. See the way where I tell I need down when I can't they cry. Just wait 100 years now go take give you. Who fair ask you? Carry go. She not there okay since then. She there okay. Why pass exam? You know what? Why me the day why me don't why I'm sorry. The insult where I give your mama. No verse. It come from your mind. A bit when word I walk no pepper then no. Maybe the rest people then they say they not even take. Now the same thing you go see come with a bit of being die.
Apology, we are good to go. I have you working while with social media now to apologize because the way I don't overbeat you.
Okay.
I make Mr. Apple say no.
Can you imagine? Overbeat you. I don't do overbeat you. So you know for inside your mind say you don't overbeat this person. Why you not accept what he tell you? If you really know, say just this person really me and you need your then now will get self tori kweru. You see some of them not be human being. Why agree now some me they talk my own. Because if I really know, say I offend you, you get let me hear your wow or get bad law. If not me, the thing go to pay me. Now your man to tell the talker now. Now your man to tell the talker now. If now some people say, you go say no problem. See the cloth, and because you know say you really overdo. No nah. God that bed. More than go ask for God, make God forgive you now. Not be even Lolo, you go to say Lolo forgive me. Why the guest alone boy? Oh, hona ni you na come forgive me. For real, More than go ask God. See what you they talk come out for inside your mouth. Say you really overbeat them. Check out. Do you believe Lolo has never been for once nation? I know say never mention in nail. I know. You don't even know whether it's there for social media. I know now. He even use the man talking. He says since he beat her, he never made sure in nail one day. Then he reply in one day, so if that kind of person can't give you, you go quick collect and say, okay, I hear you, I go do. If I hear you, I'll say I go do. It not me say you not get sense. Why? Because you know, say what you really do this person, he pay now, or see you're not already on it. Remember, we all are not the same. The way me tell they do, not be so you tell they do. Okay? If somebody waits until really pain and it can't give you condition, do it for her. Maybe now you can give her joy. You know how many times the person don't cry when he go see your video, or maybe husband see him, he go they pain her because you damage na rio jaguena. One of they use sense sometimes. Even though say maybe you not go even go buy the new clothes. Even though say she need her whole apology. Even though say now 1 minute, just stand for there, just give me only my me I see her. Good and fine. Do it for her. Why? Because he not near you. Now you go meet her. When you see a war, carry property, carry everything. Come put her for junction. Come they match her. Whether you go cry, she cry. And where you are. So you know, come like, I don't give you apology. Yeah. May you tell say you don't accept. No. It's not done that way. It's not done. Okay? Well, I use a sense of what?
Meanwhile, that was all my traditional attires. The best attires in the world. And no traditional attires. What am I saying? We have to go and dress on that. You know, since it is too fun, you call it fully safe.
Not be fun. Don't Prince. Not be fun. Okay? Now they look and say, I don't know why sometimes now they look person say this person will think bemu. Some people are like that. Some people now so they just be. And you think bemu edinya waje character no. Not be because of say maybe con social media, ija what ye gbe wo ke gbe. Now that radio wa radio je wo to radio je anywhere. You know if you can't change because of una. Some people they like that. You understand? Some people they like that. Omani and where you yangwale ni enjiri ne. So far may you give her, you then a med where they so tall where I thank God. You collect her like that. Or when you yangwale good. If me not need done like that, I tell you say okay, I don't collect her. Problem not there. You know me say the other person go accept like that. Agbon ya okpa. E kwe no gwi me ogwe no okpa. Okay? Not be the same way. Go face your useless mommy kilometer will show you. You understand?
So if person too far, or man reform igbe, or do I mwen for that is what they worry Lolo. That is why I say Lolo I don't fit play. Iyan yore na kusi because he do the form. You do the form. What?
Nobody the form. Okay? Nobody. Some people there, if you give and slap for this side, you go give on the other side, go still give you. Why son no go wait, may you even give her? You understand? Everybody not be the same. If you say person they form, okay, good and fine. Wait till you do you. And now when I don't okay, why you they form like this? The person if you talk say now only the way where I want to accept and be that. If now only the way inside your mind, according to you, where you say ugele gbegbe, when men we table no, see what you they talk come out. When ugele gbe, the way we tell you, you go give her. You go give her. And you know me so now come be friend though. No. You know me say maybe you go come like carry your video one day, come they analyze and no. There are something there where they say, oh well, I don't need you, you don't need me. Maybe if you still see you for road, you know go greet you, know go greet them. Everybody then they are there. You see? You go say even I don't even apologize to them. Does that mean say we are not friends now? Or maybe if you see me for road, maybe you greet me, make I greet you. No. Lolo is not as Lolo is not let him fight less. Yeah, you know go accept. Even before them, I not say me I talk am. I say this one where be say don't pass the boundary. If now only Lolo now. If now only Lolo, oh mommy, I greet you, mama IT. Thank you for coming. If now only Lolo now, maybe you go see like yon pa we mu. Una mu vie, una mu da fon, una mu ti on e, una mu je. What did they follow you back? So if she can't ask you that condition, why you not go give her? If really, it really come out from your mind, say, okay, I get accept him in not man. You see, you want to make it accept your own, just like that. But you will be saying, now you go beat him. You don't want to accept what you don't want to accept your condition. Oh, yeah, social media, salon boy.
For me, ba. No gays, go back, no girl na. Wa we ba. I no get settle ne. Why see here with
this
you?
video, no man like.
So Lolo,
You with a no, you're not fit set so probably not day because even where ya we a no girl ya we a Lolo. Okay, the kind you with get issue. You two of una get issue, but you will Lolo never get any issue. And because of una meeting now get issue. Now you even they knock where ya so a whole year a twins you. But we all see all these things for social media. Even when it comes to your wife also, when we have to make a mobile, all those things, we see everything. Now you go there, chook your hand for the amount. Lolo never chook hand for your amount. He never even near you. Maybe you get two different things, you know. It's two different things. Try to understand this. If you understand that, meaning you understand what it be life. If you don't understand that, meaning you don't understand anything. See, even the way he's talking, if we notice after all 3 years, yes, good 3 years. Oya Silviero, ona siye bolu, ana bole, or Mario Camari already, or in the name of say, I dey fight for somebody. I love that person. Why can't you just sit down, analyze issues the way we be? The young Noria be the Noria be, the young Noria say the Noria say, then you come on for that. No, you're not doing like that. You make sure say you bring her, you draw her, you do everything where you want to do. And they call my paper. Hello, mommy. I greet you, mommy. I don't like video. May I put anywhere yo? All right, mommy. Oh yeah.
How you going? You're talking.
Hey, talk, mama.
Small contribution when I want to contribute for all this matter when they go on so.
Yeah.
Pastor, I've been what they call him?
Native doctor.
Don't priest, I be what they call him. Now he find Lolo trouble. Even though he beg Lolo, say I beg Lolo not accept. Not be the one when you go come out, come to challenge him again. You go just come first.
Yes.
When they don't come first, anything concerning Lolo, you know go they go down, so you go give him space.
Yes.
Lolo no say the apology when he to true talk. It's true me now. You understand? Okay, somebody tell you, say, see the way he want the apology. You say you don't want you leave her alone. We for me or for my observation, when I know say Lolo talk, because of Lolo talk this thing so. Oh no, you not apologize to Lolo. Why Lolo not say no accept the apology? The time when this guy wants stop this saga, he carry Monica and Lolo together. They be fake lie. Two adulteral people. He begin to beat the two of them.
Yes.
It never reach 2 weeks. And I say Lolo no answer. And I be like say now only Monica pop. It be like say don't challenge her. He can come out, come apologize to Lolo. He know say he want to saga with Monica. Why did he group Lolo join her for the first time for this saga when they grant?
Yeah.
This saga when they grant not concern Lolo. Now you and Monica get we on a fussy body. You not supposed to bear trauma to Lolo.
Yeah.
You understand? For me, the way when Lolo talk, and my sister don't like her because because when he may it's not possible.
No,
if you apologize to me, okay, do your own, I do my own. Don't hear me, I don't hear you. Everybody get your own boundary. According to Lolo. Not be say Lolo to they feel bad, to they feel bad, all those guys, to they feel big, all those things. I like the one when the guy said they do something.
And the way we tell they do it, you know if you change them for them.
Yes, now waiting somebody wants, now he wants. You know they want afia. Una fit they do saga, they say no they talk, but no go talk. Because no be Monica go the Solora. Since when he beat Monica, I don't ready to wear. You know they talk to Ram again. You see, that be the thing. And you say beggar, not get what you want. Okay, what I said the time when they saga, how you Lolo can't die. You go beg Lolo for grief. You mean that they use brain?
They're not they use.
They use sense. Huh? Okay, matter when not concern you. They say all the matter when social media that they talk put. Matter not concern you. You go talk the way when you want to talk. If you don't talk at once, you rest.
Don't be lying.
Not talk for favor of this one, not talk for favor of this one. Give this one, you give this one. You rest on the issue. I got them up. I even work for them. Not pay ya. You go and saw Lolo. He saw his husband. He saw his children. You know the one when this guy take bully Lolo. He bully and Lolo not challenge and one day. You go talk say you can't tell us I beg or just collect them from you like that. That means na purpose they do it.
Yeah.
That's the purpose they do. They'll say if I beat her finish, I'll come back. Who's gonna beg you? Want beg me?
You understand? It don't make sense.
That makes sense.
Everybody they stay on Ilue. Then they find money where because I had the not where.
Yes.
Anyway, no, let that one mean just see myself. Okay, see the other one where they come out and they say Lolo must apologize to them. You they use you the one force or me Lolo come apologize to you.
Who be that one?
Then you say probably the other one when you with the other one where they them the one be like say with it at the quarter that day star. You gotta talk say me Lolo come apologize. Lolo, it's for you to come apologize to me because I don't hear you can imagine. They don't they use math they find apology. You understand?
Mama, you know waiting. All these people, they don't like apology. Apology go come from your mind. Not be waiting for go you go ask.
Yes.
You know they ask.
You know say apology. It be like now for example now say it be like husband house for example. When husband house tire you, you say you want pack your thing come out. If you not there your mind, nobody go fit force you say make you go back to that man. Now so apologies be. You know, waiting for her. You not be waiting somebody go just go apologize. No, you go settle down, reason her. If you want to apologize to that person, go apologize to them.
Yes.
You don't already insult her. Call her shago, call her sort of. No, you say me a woman like me, so me I can't apologize to you. It's not possible.
Yeah.
No let Lolo me don't see for that life. You don't never carry phone. They apologize to anybody.
Yeah.
The time when you sit there apologize to be and be that and at that time the saga don't start.
Yes.
Concerning no say that Monica still call the saga when the saga be a big father that time.
Yeah.
That time when this doctor John on the church, doctor on the church and Naila can just apologize to her say he not take the tension to insult and Monica cause her, but he can't go choke my put for inside make you forgive her. Since that time, okay, she be the thought say Monica now Lolo now they push Monica. Since then and since when Monica and Lolo not there together, I have better bring Monica here.
I know.
You person you don't say now who not find Lolo, who don't say Lolo come and say he dey sagara. He not there.
No.
Hardly before you see and say the saga person, we can't not do something.
Yeah.
Huh? No, but when they no say Lolo, no your friend do now. Like, go just carry something come out because I say Lolo, if you now saga, I will see you. How many view now? I say only can carry that this thing where I saw you carry and where I be the quarrel with you carry and where because may no say how it be because of Monica now no get when 12 now will be 5 and 6 una saga and self. You just say apology when you give no get now you and you know they go be as before. They don't go fit be.
It go hard though.
They don't understand. They don't feel you know fit be.
Go hard.
Oh wala mama, no that one I talk to. Thank you my sister.
It go hard because you know say this apology when you give and finish for your mind maybe you will talk on the players before. No, now it make can. It good may before you do something first think because I exchange your words in it. It dey hard. You know can't be as before. You know be as before. Like take it or leave it. I know saying on social media say nobody they go anybody has, but the person not feel free. Even though say maybe you call am yet or you go able to look the phone for themselves, you know pick. Maybe you call right to say sorry I not there has just because you no want hear your voice, you no want talk to you again, no one get anything. You go even they like they make you day your day, make I day my day. You couldn't very only you know be as before. Because what you mean time make bear up by phone, especially when you can't talk what is strong for each other what do exchange you get as it be. If not the one they use sense, when I not get why I use a sense. Like that one where tell me just now say if I just back or apologize to me whether I go accept from where you are not the not give me when you are when you dem in move by dog, you know. I'll come say okay you give me make I collect and you don't pass your boundary just they go and we go you know just they go. What is the need before you do anything? Think before you do, especially the person do you something and now I know where till do you go see and bring consistent wait till you do me. Like this one now, you know, will see, bring, come. You go come say, now because of saying with the ex-friend, the quarrel, I can't join the ex-friend. Can you imagine? Wait till they talk come out for mouth? Even myself. Your ba, momo. What the alu and wine? Wanna see they use sense. Don't join anybody. If I do bad, give me to me. Say, no worry, I been here. I go collect them. I go rest. Don't be say you join another person. Mukbokbo, muera. Good 3 years, we are mama, you get a bear, and what they bring your back. You carry everything where they follow and they go, you put all together. Then you can't come and say the person not take apology. On master 24 hours, you don't come and say, you don't know, say you be content. Can you imagine? So just continue the content now. What is the meaning of that apology? You see, in not reach your Omaso An apology person, you know, demand. Now person go like they go come out for a man say, let me go beg this person. My mind just my mind no reach ground again for wetin I do this person, because I know say this person really not do me anything. E go come from your mind. Even the way the person tell me that, you go give am. Why? Because no or your way make an assault. Now when it not come from your mind, you go do am the way you tell like. Go marry ene. May I just give una. If una collect, una not collect. Now no. You see? Uni. Only our apology again. No matter pepper then.
Waiting for another apology. Wait for 80 years. Apology de Lolo. Not easy to apologize. Lolo, it's not easy to apologize. You feel apologize to Cora. Lolo, you will feel apologize to Cora.
You see that Cora where you break come. My husband, now wait till you see for social media. Okay? You not go inside your house, go bring and come. You go inside your house, go carry and come. You understand? Because of what you see for social media. He do what he's supposed to do. He come out for there. O ma mwe Cora no do aba oge, no do no vio ye ba no muje ba no do nyaga wa because he sit down. Or he with his husband the quarrel na do anyaga egbe. It's two different things. It's two different things. If maybe tomorrow now she want even come and say, okay, Cora, sorry because of waiting, maybe I even put myself. That one go even accept. Why? Because now your husband carry and come social media. You two people they quarrel. When I want language, when I want the back, but una beg, una gbera, una gbijo, una gbeti, una gbiye ya. Any ya fe na you believe for inside. Ah no na. What they are echo. There is God, in anything way they do. There is God. All this one are pepper the apology. Pepper then I want pepper Monica. Monica, don't give your friends apology. Friend not enough take. I wait back apology no when you if you not person will be so hurry that we see get sense. You go accept. Why? Because you don't already use your mouth they talk and say can you imagine that? She never answer you one day. If I were you, I go accept. One day I go come out like this. I will wear something. No, you see, I know say I really do you bad. No verse. You go collect them. Why not collect? Let it just put you for test. So my pass, so now I fail. Not both way. Come here to work both way. Alright, my people, make I leave una. So all this una apology. If una they do something, more they use sense. If I do you something, do direct to me. Not go to my children, not go to my husband, not go to my family. Because if you can't go there, and you pass a boundary away. Even you self, they happy say Lolo say one collector. Because you really pass your boundary. You carry inside everything where they inside he has. He brothers, his sister where you don't know. You see? As he give you that condition, you for take on. That's you want to do and say, may you wait for 90 years. He not fair ask you. You see, say not fair ask you. Maybe no when ya. May you like if what you do, he good though. If what you do, he bad though, carry they go. He not fair ask you. All right, my people. Thank you. See you all later the day. What did you expect? It is not we are talking about everyone. What? All right. God bless you all. So, if anything one that they do, more than they use sense. Especially all these our people where be say they want. You say, and can you imagine? Lot of content. Can you imagine? Carry person. You want use that to do content. Not be saying a good content too. And just to like call rubbish. Then you can't do the content, can't receive money, can't put on for it. Now what for Unasha? Money equal content in Igualo. Can't you do your own content, analyze and live there? Not to insult person, carry picking, carry may put on for pain. You want use that content you want to do. On a bye bye my people. See you all later the day.